How to switch to classic mode on pocket option. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to switch to classic mode on pocket option application, first of all launch open the pocket option app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. Once you're inside the Settings tab, make sure you're inside this trading mode and select the classic mode option from the menu. After you tap on the classic mode, you'll be able to switch into classic mode in pocket option. So that's how you successfully switch to classic mode in pocket option. Now your trading screen should feel much cleaner, easier, and more beginner friendly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.